I love plumping lip glosses, especially because I have really thin lips. So I like something which little plumps up my lips and which gives a little bit of shine. And lip gloss is so much in trend now. It's everywhere. People have started using lip gloss more than using like matte lipsticks. So I have these two amazing plumping lip glosses. One is just like a drugstore one is high end. So this is the ELF plumping lip gloss. This is more like a drugstore one. And then you have the MAC Power Glass plumping lip gloss. So first I'm going to use this. I have nothing on my lips. I have a little bit of lipstick which I have removed, and both are almost like a transparent color, doesn't like have too much color. This is more like a nude one. This has a little bit of shimmer. So I'm going to apply both. Let's see which plumps up more and which looks better. So let's start with this one first. So we're going to start with the ELF plumping lip gloss first. So I'm just directly applying it. I've applied this. This has a really nice shimmer, and I'm just going to wait for 2 minutes, let it plump up. It's tingling a bit. So guys, I waited for about 5 minutes and this is how much it's plumped up. It's a little bit, but I like the gloss and I like the shine. Let's try the other one now. So I've removed that lip gloss. Now we're going to try this one, which is the MAC Power Glass plumping lip gloss. So this is more like a nude shade, has no shimmer to it. Let's try this. I'm going to wait for about 5 minutes. I like the smell, it smells really nice. Let's wait and let's see if this plumps up better than that one. So I waited for 5 minutes for this one also. It's time to give you my review. I like this one better, which is the drugstore one, which is ELF plumping lip gloss. It has that shine, and also it, I think, plumped my lips a little more than this one, the MAC one. I think this is expensive and not that great, and also I didn't like the color of this. I mean, it doesn't have that shine. So I will definitely go for this one. I will tell you the amount also. It is just for 650 bucks and does its job really well. I like it. So let me know which one did you guys like, and if you want me to try any other lip gloss, please let me know in the comment section below. And also I'm on Instagram. I'm sure you guys remember this now. It's Leena Garda Official and Foxy Makeup Tips. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.